Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add a card to PayPal. Adding a card to PayPal makes using PayPal more convenient, secure and flexible for both domestic and international transactions. So here is how you do it. Launch open the PayPal application on your mobile device, or if you're using a computer, you can go to paypal.com and sign in. After logging into PayPal, go ahead and tap on the wallet button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the wallet section, tap on add new right next to cards. Now click on debit and credit cards option in the pop-up at the bottom. Now, you have two options. You can either scan your card by tapping on the camera icon. If you want to enter your card details manually, make sure to tap on the next button at the bottom where it says enter your card info. Now you will need to go ahead and enter your PayPal account's password to sign into it before getting to the next step. Type in your password correct and tap on login. Right after you do that, you will then be able to add a card. Go ahead and enter your card number in the first tab. Whether you are trying to link a debit card or a credit card, go ahead and type in your card number, expiration date, and CVV code in the correct text boxes and confirm your billing address as well. After you are done, click on Link Card and follow the prompt to verify the card through a small charge. The amount will be refunded once verified, so make sure to follow along the process and enter your correct information, and you will then be able to link a card on PayPal. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.